Hey everyone, this is George, and today we are reviewing a rice storage bin / cereal container dispenser. And this particular brand is Hodebe? Hodebe? Hodebe, however you pronounce that. Anyway, currently right now, as of this day, it is $7.99 on Amazon. And a little disclaimer, this item in particular will be an Amazon Vine product, which means I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest review. Just a side note, items I review are not all Amazon Vine products. Some I actually bought myself from either Amazon, Walmart, Target, or wherever. Anyway, let's get started. Well, this is how it came in just a plastic bag. And it's fairly straightforward how to put it together. You just put the top on. It's tight and secure, so I figure this is going to be either waterproof or spill-proof. The cup that it comes in is pretty tight and secure on there. And there are little notches inside the spout where you line it up with the cup and you just kind of turn it so that it's secure. Little notches are right there and on the other side right there. So the measuring cup itself holds 3/4 of a cup, and the entire container holds 10 cups. And oh, look at that, we just happen to have some rice. And it's pretty easy, straightforward to close, and it's really secure. Very tight, like a toiga. And let's see how much I can shake it. Shake, shake, shake. And let's see how easy it is to pour into that cup. Pretty easy. And you just place and twist. And so I also wanted to test some cereal with this, and it just so happens I have some Raisin Bran. And so normally I put my cereal in this cup to measure it because I'm kind of OCD like that. So let's put some Raisin Bran flakes in here. Close that up. And let's pour out some cereal. And I found that it doesn't pour very easy. That hole is definitely not big enough for the size of the flakes. Possibly those Cocoa Puff Pebble chocolate pebbles, or maybe even Cheerios or Fruit Loops could possibly fit through that easily. But cornflakes is kind of a hassle. Anyway, it's time to weigh this thing. It is 8.5 ounces. It's about 6 1/4 long, and from the bottom to the top of the measuring cup is about 11.5. Just about 3.5 wide on the bottom, and it's about 4 inches wide on the top. The top is 6.5 inches. And I rate my items with a 5-star system. How tough it is, will I use this, can my grandma use it, does it look good, and would I pay for it? And for the rice storage bin container, I give it 5 stars. Thank you for watching. I always leave a link on the description of the item I reviewed, or provided information where or how to get it. These are currently not affiliate links, so I do not get paid for them. They are just there for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, please like this video or leave a comment and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. You never know when I might be reviewing an item you might find useful someday. Well, take care, and we'll see you next time.